Hey everybody, thank you so much for placing your order with us. We're really excited to help you get more reviews and more referrals through this new way of giving the gifts. So here's everything you need to know about how to get your knives custom engraved and out to your clients. Basically, just fill out the form below that I'm going to go through in just a second on all the details, and we'll help you get everything out to your clients. All right, so I'm going to show you how to use the form to submit your client gifts so we can get them engraved and shipped out to your clients. So you can use this through the link on your desktop, or you can also download the form as an app on your phone or tablet like I'm doing here. So I'm going to click on the app and it's going to open up. This is the same way it'll look if you use it on your desktop. It'll just be not on your phone. So I'm going to skip past this info real quick and go into selecting your gift. So these are the gifts you've already ordered. So some of you may have just one option, some may have two or three, some may have one of our multi-gift campaigns where a gift shows up a month after closing and then 6 months after closing and then a year after closing. Whatever you ordered are your options here. So basically just click the one you want. If you're on a team and you need to let us know, or if you need to know who on your team is sending the gift, you can fill this part out. You'll put in your client's first and last name as well as shipping address so we know where to ship it to. And then what are the engraving instructions? So most people have handcrafted especially for, and then maybe you'll put the Jones family or Kristen's Kitchen, or if it's two people that don't share a last name, it'll be made handcrafted especially for Jim and Cindy. Whatever the final part is that's going in that phrase, just type that in here and we'll be able to engrave that on the knife. Then let us know the closing date. So unless otherwise specified when we put in the order, most of your gifts will be scheduled to arrive 30 days after closing. If there's any time that you need to change that, so just one order needs something different, that's where this notes section is going to come in. You can use this for multiple different things, but most people, it'll show up 30 days later with that handwritten thank you note. So in this note section is where you can let us know anything that needs to change. So say instead of sending it 30 days later, you want it to go 45 days later, or you want us to shoot it over as soon as possible. Just type that in here and we can use that. Just so you know, it does often take about 2 weeks for the gifts to come in. So if you need something to go out as soon as possible, it'll normally be about 2 weeks, but you can tell us, hey, we need this to go faster and we can see what we can do, but around 2 weeks for that. If you want us to change the thank you note, so you want it to say, hey, congrats on the baby or happy holidays, you can type that in here. If you need a completely custom note, just type in the full note here and that's what we'll handwrite to send out. If you need help, it has my info here, but basically once all this info is filled out, you'll come down here and you'll click submit and you're done. So now I'm going to show you what it looks like to use this button up here. This sheet here is where you'll go to track your gifts to see where they're at, whether they've been scheduled, whether they've been shipped, whether they've arrived. All that info will be right here. All right, so once you click on the link for the tracker, it'll pull up a page that looks like this. And what it'll do is show you how many gifts of each type you have left up here. It'll show your specific clients here of whether we've received it, whether it's scheduled to go out, whether it's been shipped. Any of those things will be here color coded. And so you can check all their information, see when it's been shipped, see the tracking information. And all of this our team will fill out for you so you don't have to worry about it. The only thing that you'll do that you may want to fill out would be over here, and it's notes. So what happened? Did the client, after they received it, did they give you a call? Did you get a thank you note? Did they post about it on Facebook? What happened? So this way you can look back at the end of the year and see what did you specifically get out of sending these gifts. So that's the biggest thing. If there's any questions, anything else you need, just let me know and we can help you with it. But essentially just start filling them out. Even if you don't have your proofs yet, or you haven't approved them, you're working on them, anything like that, you can start submitting them. And that way, as soon as your gifts are, the engraving is approved, we can start shipping them out as we need. But anything else, just give me a shout, talk to my team, shoot me an email, and we'll be happy to help you with it. Thanks. Bye.